how to download Rave on PC. So if you want to download Rave on PC, then what you need to do is first make sure that you have a stable internet connection. Once you have an internet connection, now you just need to simply open up your browser, any browser that you're comfortable with, and then you need to search for Rave. After searching for Rave, you will have rave.io. You need to just click on that. And as you can see that it's available on Mac, iPhone, Android, and Windows, right? So if you want to download it on your Windows, then you just need to simply click on Windows. And once you click on Windows, it will start the download process. On the top right, as you can see that you will have the download section right here. So you need to click on it, and as you can see that it has started the downloading process. So once it has started the download process, or once it has been downloaded, what you need to do is just simply go with full download history. And here you need to double click on this Rave setup. Once you double click on this setup, it will ask you if you want to install Rave. So you just need to simply go and confirm that yes, you want to install. And after that, it will start the installation process and you'll be able to install Rave on your Windows. That's how you can download, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.